I'm giving you a rundown of the seasoning that I use, the earth seasoning that I use to do my pork and my chicken. So as you all know, this is the onion, good old thyme, garlic, good old pimento. Can't do nothing without this. That's some ginger over there. Scotch bonnet pepper, not just any pepper, but Scotch bonnet pepper, and scallion.